You are almost finished with the 3B trophy. We are on the last couple of exercises here. So we're on 16, 17, and 18. These are the last ones in this video before we have the flashcards left. Okay, so we're going to open up number 16. These three are all the same song. They're all low bridge. The syncopation is helping you with the rhythms that low bridge is going to be going over. Okay, so we've got these tie notes that will change the rhythm because it ties these two notes together, as we know. So here's a couple more tie notes. Some complicated rhythms. Okay, so let's go over each one at a time. So we have 1 and 2 and 3, 4, but and 2 are tied together, and 3. So this goes bum bum bum. Bum, bum, bum. That's how it'll go. Bum, bum, bum. And this one is the same, actually the same rhythm. Bum, bum, bum. So even though these two look different, they are the same rhythm. So you have bum, bum, bum. And then here, bum, bum, bum. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. We have bum, 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 bum. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1 and 2. Or I'm sorry, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and. So 1 and 2 and. So bump 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2 and. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Now, the fingering here is kind of important because we have this section and then we have the section below this. It's your 5 finger, then your 3rd finger. 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Ba, 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 ba. And then the next section does the same thing, but you're on E. Da, 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 da. So, and you're going to be doing this part in the song as well. So it's important that you get this fingering. So you just jump from this C position to this A position. Da, 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 da. All right, so let's move on. Let's go out of this and let's go to low bridge preparatory. Okay, this one we're going to actually play through. It's quite long. So we've got, we're in our A minor position. Okay, so we have da 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 da. Okay, then we have da 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 da. It helps if you, 1, are a good reader, 2, if you count, 3, if you memorize the melody, because the melody, it repeats a lot, and if you memorize the melody, it'll make the rhythm become a lot easier. Okay, so 1, really rely on your reading, okay, because it's only these notes. There's no big jumps or anything like that. 2, try to memorize the melody because that'll help you with the rhythm. And 3, count, okay? So those are the things that we're going to be doing. Let's go ahead and play through this really quick, and then after this, we'll talk about fingering.
Set, go.
Position. Oops. Yeah, this song is really tricky. Jump to the C position. Okay, so you think this one is hard. The number 18 is just like this, except it's about 3 times longer, and it mixes in the sections and it repeats, and it does the same melody, but it switches up the rhythm on you. So, for instance, instead of doing a ba 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 ba, you'll have ba 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 ba. So different rhythm, same melody, different rhythm though. So it's going to be quite tricky, okay? So let's move on to number 18. We're not going to play through this one because that'll take like 5 minutes. See how long it is? So again, it's number 17, but about 3 times as long, okay? So you have the same melody done over and over and over again with different rhythms. Make sure you go over the proper fingering, okay? So you want to go through each section learning all of the fingering. Da, 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 da. And then this, so like this section right here and this section right here, the same exact thing. You just put your pinky on G, and then this one you put your pinky on E, okay? And it's important that you do that because that'll set you up for the A position right into the next section, okay? So the fingering will help you transition between section and section, okay? So that's pretty much it. So to review, make sure you rely on your reading, try to memorize the melody, and go over the rhythm by counting, okay? So go ahead and work on this, and good luck.